Hello, my name is Richard C. Wilson, founder of the Family Office Club, and I'd like to invite you to our Family Office Super Summit. It's in Fort Lauderdale on December 13th. This is our annual event. It's the largest event that we do every year, and we're going to have over 500 professionals in the room. Over 250 investors will be there. We'll have virtual and in-person networking, but almost everyone's going to be there in person. We're going to feature a billionaire on stage, Jeff Hoffman, the founder of Priceline.com and Booking.com. We'll have a shark from Shark Tank, Kevin Harrington, on stage. I will be speaking along with a dozen other billion-dollar-plus family offices. We're also going to feature over 24 single-family offices on stage, as well as angel investors, private investors, high-net-worth investors, and many other investment professionals. The 57 speakers on stage in one single day will be like 2 days of conferences smashed into one that we know you're going to love. And if it's not the best conference you've been to throughout all of COVID, then we'll just give you back your price of admission because we know you're going to love it. To sign up right now and reserve your seat before we sell out, please go to familyoffices.com/super. Thank you.